Since I'm millionaire, a lot of you have asked me, Juan, I want also a lot of money, I want to be rich. Is the money giving you happiness in life? My answer is money is a manifestation of abundance in life, as if I have good, great friends, a lot of friends, really good friends, and I'm also current. I have a current with my values, with my words, my thoughts, and my actions. Then I will be happy. And the key point is the cause, not the effect, not the consequences, but that is the money, but the cause, that is how I'm making this money, how I creating this money is according my values, my principles of life. I'm deciding who I want to be in life, and after that, the how I get the money is the key point. So, of that, of course, money can be a manifestation of happiness, because I'm happy when I'm connected with abundance. So yeah, it's just a manifestation. But if I'm just earning money in one moment of my life and then it goes away, I winning the lottery, everything, the big pot, I'm not really wealthy, I'm not really rich. I'm just in that moment of my life where I can be a little more rich, but it could destabilize my economy. It could disbalance my economy, because I'm not having the skills to really maintain that money and make it grow in the time. And that are the bases that I have to build, how I'm making this money. I'm really trying everything I can to making this money, respecting myself at the same time, not stressing, but yes, focusing on the clients, on how I can get better with the clients. There are a lot of ways to do it and to be happy with the money, but also with other things in life. So yeah, it's just a manifestation more of wealthiness. And yeah, any question you have, any comment, you can tell me in the commentary section. Thank you and welcome to Deep Within.